So, you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or breaking a sweat. You've probably watched countless videos, but still feel stuck, right? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm going to reveal a super simple method to start earning on YouTube with little to no effort. Believe it or not, some channels are pulling in huge profits just by narrating scary stories. Yep, it's as easy as that. Think it sounds too good to be true? It's not. Look at these channels. They are all making serious cash. And you can do the same with the help of AI. That's right. AI can handle everything from writing the stories and recording the voiceovers to creating the visuals. And yes, you can monetize this content and start seeing earnings in 2024. Just take a look at the insane amounts of money they're making just by telling scary stories. Isn't it mind-blowing? Interested? Stick around, and I'll walk you through the whole process. But first, pay close attention to every step to avoid any pitfalls, especially when it comes to avoiding demonetization. Let's kick things off with the very first step, finding the perfect topic for your scary videos. Instead of relying on generic tools like ChatGPT for ideas, let's take a smarter approach. To speed up your growth and get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program quickly, you need to select a topic that's already proven to attract viewers. Here's how to do it. Head over to a successful competitor's YouTube channel, click on the Videos tab, and sort by popularity. See that? This video has been up for just 1 month, but has racked up almost 1 million views and is still racking up more views. That's the kind of topic you want to base your content on. So take this proven idea and start creating your own engaging videos. Awesome job getting through the first step. Now let's move on to step 2, crafting our scary story script. Since we found a high-performing story that's been a hit, we're going to give it a unique twist to make it our own. The first thing we need to do is extract the script from the existing video, and that's where TopView AI becomes our secret weapon. TopView AI is a game changer for content creators. It's an all-in-one tool that handles everything from script extraction to AI-generated voiceovers, and even avatars. Instead of juggling multiple tools, TopView AI does it all seamlessly. You can find the link to get started with TopView AI in the description below. Here's how to use TopView AI to extract the script. First, grab the URL of the YouTube video you want to analyze. Once you're signed up and logged into TopView AI, you'll land on the dashboard. Click on Video Script Extractor. Paste the YouTube URL into the box and hit Extract. In just seconds, TopView AI will pull the entire script for you. It's quick, accurate, and super convenient. Next, we need to add our personal touch to the story. We'll use ChatGPT to rewrite the script with fresh and unique twists. Simply head over to ChatGPT. Ask it to rewrite this story with unique twists using simple English. Paste the extracted script and hit Enter. Watch as ChatGPT transforms the story into something new and original, ready for your audience. Before we move on, if you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Now that you've done that, let's continue. With your unique script in hand, it's time to generate the voiceover. TopView AI makes this process incredibly easy. Head back to the TopView AI dashboard. Click on AI Voice Generator. Go back to and copy a portion of your script and paste its script here. You'll be able to choose from a variety of voices, filter by language, gender, age, and style to find the perfect match for your story. For instance, let's select the Tiberius voice. Click Confirm and then Generate. In no time, you'll have a professional quality voiceover ready to download.
I'm a graffiti artist, or a vandal, depending on how you see it. I like painting in quiet, hidden places where my work can stay unnoticed by other artists and the public.
Repeat the step until you are done recording voiceover for your entire script. And don't forget, TopView AI isn't just for voiceovers. Feel free to explore its other features for future content needs. It's also great for creating photo avatars and marketing videos, making your content creation process smoother and more efficient. Now, before we move forward, let me show you a game-changing feature of TopView AI that will revolutionize your marketing videos or ads on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. With TopView's avatar marketing video feature, you no longer need to invest tons of time and resources in creating engaging content. Just a click, and your entire script and video are ready to go. Here's how simple it is. Head over to your TopView AI dashboard and click on Avatar Marketing Video. From here, choose your presenter. These aren't just any avatars. They're lifelike human presenters ready to promote your product. Select the avatar you like, confirm, and you'll notice this page opens up a world of possibilities. TopView AI integrates seamlessly with platforms like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, YouTube, and many more. Next, let's try it out. Copy the link to any product you want to promote. In this case, we'll grab an ashwagandha product from Amazon, paste the link into TopView AI, hit Analyze Link, and within seconds you'll be taken to a page where you can pick and choose the product images you want. Click Continue, and voila! TopView AI has imported all the essential details about the product. Here's where it gets even better. Click on More Options, and you can choose your video length. Let's go with 15 to 30 seconds. Upload your logo or end screen. Choose the size, and then select a voice for your presenter. Play around with different options until you find the perfect match.
Welcome to
TopView.ai.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
Let's pick Liam's voice for this example. Next, decide the video's dimensions. Whether it's for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you've got full control. For our YouTube video, we'll select the 16:9 landscape option. Once you're done, click Generate. Click Generate, and within minutes, TopView AI creates the video script and starts producing the video. Once ready, you can opt for no watermark, costing 5 credits, then export and download your final video. Let's watch it.
Can you handle stress like a boss? Let's find out. This is not your average ashwagandha. It's bio-fermented, packed with probiotics and enzymes for your gut health. Feel the difference with every drop, trust me. And it tastes like berry passion, yum! Backed by 22 human studies, this stuff is legit. Made with natural ingredients, no funky stuff here. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now.
It looks amazing. See how TopView AI simplifies every step of content creation? Great work so far. Now let's get back to our spooky project and add some eye-catching visuals to bring our scary story to life. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI. I've dropped a link to Leonardo AI in the description below. Go ahead and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on Launch App. You'll receive 150 free tokens daily, which should be more than enough to create our images. Here's what you'll do next. Click on Image Creation, then choose Cinematic Concept from the presets on the left-hand menu. Since our video is for YouTube, select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, we need to provide prompts to Leonardo AI to generate the right images. To simplify this, we can ask ChatGPT to come up with the prompts for each scene of our scary story. Just head back to ChatGPT and request prompts for each scene. In a flash, ChatGPT will deliver tailored prompts that fit our story perfectly. Copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, go back to Leonardo AI, and paste it into the prompt box. In under 10 seconds, Leonardo will generate stunning images for our first scene. Repeat this for each prompt to create images for all the scenes in our story. With our images ready, let's add an extra touch to make our story stand out even more. We can include a narrator, a unique storyteller who will give a personal touch to our story. Since our story is narrated by a graffiti according to our script, we need an image of a graffiti artist. You can either come up with your own prompt or ask ChatGPT for one. For example, let's ask Leonardo AI to generate an image of a young graffiti artist with a hint of rebellion. Hit Generate, and voila, your narrator's image will be ready to download. Next, we need to animate our narrator's image and sync their lips with our voiceover. For this, we'll return to TopView AI. On the TopView AI dashboard, select Video talking avatar. Upload the image of our narrator, paste the text you want them to speak, and choose a voice if needed. Since we already have a voiceover recorded, click Import Audio to upload your voiceover file. Hit Generate, and TopView AI will create an animated avatar that syncs perfectly with your audio. Now that we've covered everything, it's time to bring it all together and create our final video. You can use any video editing software that works best for you. And if you're looking for a little extra help, TopView is a great option too. And here we are, the finished product. Let's watch it together.
I'm a graffiti artist, always looking for hidden spots to paint. One night around 10 p.m., my friend Lucas and I went to some quiet train tracks. It was cold, and everything was too quiet. While I was spray painting an old train, we heard a strange noise behind us. We froze, scared. Then a paint can flew out of the darkness, followed by voices and footsteps. We ran, hearing a gunshot as we escaped.
Looks amazing, right? By the way, you've probably noticed how fast YouTube automation is blowing up, with the algorithm now giving more attention to smaller channels. It's not uncommon to see brand new channels getting thousands, even millions of views. If you want to learn how to succeed quickly with YouTube automation, I've included a link to an awesome course that will teach you everything you need to know to grow fast. Trust me, this can really boost your channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more money-making tips.